Hey everyone, I am Sharanya, also known as Mrs. Explorer, and welcome to my channel where we talk all things travel, food, and lifestyle.
This is episode 10 of my Malaysia series, and today's vlog is about a hotel that I stayed in at Putrajaya, and it's called Doubletree by Hilton, Putrajaya Lakeside.
Putrajaya is located about 25 kilometers south of Kuala Lumpur and was developed in the 1990s to house many federal government offices.
There is so much to say about Putrajaya city, and I've tried to detail it out in my previous vlog, so if you haven't watched that already, do watch it today. In brief, Putrajaya is divided into 20 distinct precincts, and each precinct is designed as a self contained neighborhood. Our hotel is located in Precinct 5, which falls under the core island. I am a Hilton Honors member and I've booked this hotel through their website to get better rates and maximize rewards. I finished my check in, and during check in, they gave me two walnut cookies, which were so delicious, and I'm sure I'm going to buy more of this from their bakery. And now it's time for a room tour. So this time I'm staying alone, and so I have booked this twin guest room. So it comes with two twin beds. So if you are traveling with a partner or kids, you can opt for a queen bedroom or a king size bedroom. My room is facing the courtyard between all the blocks. They offer a wide range of amenities like an iron box, ironing board, and the room also comes with a safe lock. A great thing I noticed was that they were giving RO purified water in glass bottles and were avoiding plastic completely. Next up, let me take you to the bathroom. The best thing about this bathroom was that it was very much spacious. The room was very well lit and they provide Crabtree and Evelyn bath amenities in every room. Next, let me take you to the very spacious shower room, and it comes with a rain shower as well as a handheld shower. Now that I've given you a room tour and I have also unpacked myself and settled in, let's get out. So during check-in, I had asked my receptionist where the pool was, and her reply both shocked and surprised me at the same time because she said this property comes with three different pools. So here I am checking out the first pool, which is a rooftop pool, which was absolutely serene. The second one was a splash pool dedicated to kids near the kids club, and they also had many other activities for kids. One thing I must say is that this is a very kid friendly property, so if you are a family planning a trip with your kids, I would highly recommend this hotel for you. Don't worry if you forgot to carry your laptop, because the hotel has a connectivity zone which has a high speed internet connection which you can access at a small fee. I think we've talked enough about the amenities of the property. Now let's get into the most interesting part, which is the food. This property has an in-house restaurant called the Makan Kitchen, which is a true showcase of the Malaysian heritage dining. Makan Kitchen is truly a hub for culinary action where specialty chefs dish up recipes from 6 local cuisines including Malay, Chinese, Indian and many more. They have 3 distinctive live and interactive kitchens where you can get customizations. Now, if you're not up for experimenting various cuisines, don't worry, they also have all the classic breakfast options like toast, pancakes, and for all the health freaks, there is a separate yogurt counter where you can get plain flavored yogurts, muesli, chia seeds, and so much more. The breakfast buffet is also served in Makan Kitchen, so I would highly recommend that you opt for a room with the breakfast buffet because it's too good. Other than Makan Kitchen, they also have a coffee shop called The Coffee, which is conveniently located in the hotel lobby. If you're looking for a light snack, a dessert, or a cup of tea or coffee, this is your go to place. If you do not prefer to eat from any of the restaurants in the property, you can still order food from food delivery apps and collect the food from a designated area. After all the food, I rested in the room for a while, and by evening, I decided to get out for a leisurely stroll. And presenting to you the third and my most favorite pool in the property, the infinity pool overlooking Putra Lake. The property's vast promenade is perfect for jogging or evening leisurely strolls while soaking in the many attractions of Putrajaya, like this architectural marvel Seri Saujana Bridge. There are also many lake cruises and water activities that start from the marina here at Putrajaya. So goodbye, and that's a wrap on today's vlog. If you've enjoyed this video, do drop a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Mrs. Explorer for more travel content. See you in the next video. Until then, bye.